So often I get the question, is digital transformation done? This could be from vendors, it could be from those leaders in transformation that started 10 years ago. But my answer is no. The momentum is only increasing. The hype might be done, but the hard work's just beginning.
We're a research and advisory firm focused on this idea of digital transformation. You really have to figure out how you're going to address some of the core business challenges. So that connection between business and technology is what we talk about.
I strongly believe that you cannot transform the experience outside of your company with your customers or your partners or suppliers, whomever, if you don't transform from within. And to me, this is very key in our digital transformation.
So as a leader, we're taught, man, it's not about you. But in reality, it's all about you. And it's all about how you're showing up as a leader and how you're creating the environment for your team.
Yeah, it's been interesting to watch digital transformation in the past few years. A lot of the transformational aspects are trying to bring the different parts of organizations together, focusing on people and arming them with the right ways to be able to do their jobs more effectively.
To me, the purpose of industrial transformation and the digital evolution in industry is about responsibility. It's about responsibility to our environment so we can run machines more responsibly from an environmental perspective. It's about the purpose and responsibility of a more safe humanity. Let's optimize the safety of what we make. And then it's about the optimization of reliability.
So LNS Roundtable is really critical for us. It allows us to connect with the right process partners like industry players and be able to understand what's working, what's not working.
But the biggest impact and one of the things I'm most excited about is the fact that it will allow me to go to our senior executives and talk about the bottom line business impact. And that's where I think the real value is.
You do not want to miss this year's Industrial Transformation event. If you pick one event this year, make it ours and you will not be disappointed. We have the best lineup of speakers and we will help your organization pivot from vision to value and scale transformation across the